Can ChatGPT replace your doctor?
Yes, I can and I will.
My name is Asian. I am a doctor. Today, we will find out if ChatGPT can replace a doctor. Welcome to Hi Doctor. This is a series where Asian answer all your questions about medicine, health, and body. 医路有你，健康没问题。
What is ChatGPT?
Recently, ChatGPT is very popular all around the world. But what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a machine learning, artificial intelligence, chatting robot that can answer many questions. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, who is Asian? Asian is a popular YouTube personality known for creating entertaining and informative video on a wide range of topics, including technology, lifestyle, and personal development. 这个真的是 AI 写出来的。The real name of Asian is Jerry, and he is based in Toronto, Canada. I don't think my name is Jerry. My name is also not Tom. And I'm definitely not from Toronto, Canada. I'm from Malaysia. He launched his YouTube channel in 2013 and has since amassed a large following. To be honest, I've launched my channel since 2007, but I actually actively started making content since 2018. You can find out more about this in this video up here. As well as his ability to break down complex topics in a way that's easy to understand. This one I agree. Very smart, very smart. In addition to his YouTube channel, Asian is active on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter. You can also ask ChatGPT how to write a programming code and how to cook egg fried rice. I think this one we cannot ask ChatGPT. We need to ask Uncle Roger. Many people worry about ChatGPT and AI in general because they think ChatGPT can replace lawyer, engineer, and even YouTuber. But can ChatGPT replace your doctor? Let's find out. Let's start with something simple. Hi ChatGPT, what is the biggest organ of human body? The biggest organ in the human body is the skin. The skin is also known as the integumentary system. This is actually correct. The skin is actually the body's largest organ, not the heart, not the bone, not the brain. But to be honest, this thing you can easily find on Google. Okay, now let's ask ChatGPT something basic and practical. Hi ChatGPT, what should I do if I have a small wound on my hand? Hello! If you have a small wound on your hand, here are some steps you can take to help it heal and reduce the risk of infection. Number 1. Clean the wound. Wow, it's typing very fast. I cannot even catch up. Number 2. Apply an antiseptic. Number 3. Cover the wound. Number 4. Keep the wound clean and dry. Number 5. Wash for signs of infection. Remember to always wash your hand before and after caring for a wound to reduce the risk of infection. If the wound is large, deep or bleeding heavily, or if you have any concern, it's best to seek medical attention. Generally, ChatGPT is in the right direction. Yes, taking care of your wound properly is very important to help it heal and reduce the risk of infection. But there are easier ways to remember what to do when you have a small wound. Just follow the 3-step wound care routine. Cleanse, protect, heal. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Cleanse the wound. This is very important to remove the dirt and bacteria from the wound. In hospital or clinic, we usually wash the wound with normal saline 0.9% in a process called irrigation. At home, you can consider using a wound spray to cleanse the wound. Make sure you choose an antiseptic wound spray that is pain-free and alcohol-free so that it doesn't sting when you use it on the wound. For example, polyhexanide is an antiseptic that is suitable for wound cleansing because it is well tolerated by the skin. ChatGPT mentioned to clean the wound with mild soap and water. Okay, here's the thing. Generally, soap can be used to clean around the wound, but not directly on the wound. It is recommended to keep the soap out of the wound to prevent pain and irritation. Alternatively, we can use an antiseptic cleansing spray to clean the area in and around the wound easily without irritating the wound. ChatGPT also mentioned to use a hydrogen peroxide on the wound. But actually, hydrogen peroxide is not as recommended because it might slow down wound healing. Step 2. Protect the wound. Cover the wound with a plaster. Make sure you choose a high quality, breathable plaster to protect the wound from dirt, bacteria, and water. Remember to change your plaster every day for hygiene reasons. For this part, ChatGPT is very accurate. Good job! Step 3. Heal the wound. You can consider applying a wound healing ointment. A moist wound environment can potentially help the wound to heal faster and reduce the risk of scarring compared to a dry wound environment. Basically, like ChatGPT say, you need to also watch for signs of infection, such as worsening swelling, pain, and fever. If they happen, please see a doctor for proper management. Moral of the story: if you have a wound, you should follow the 3-step wound care routine. Make sure to have these wound care products ready in your first aid kit, so you'll always be prepared to treat any sudden minor injuries. So, can ChatGPT replace your doctor? For now, I don't think so. ChatGPT can provide you with the general knowledge, but you still have to see a doctor when you need to, because every patient is different on a case-by-case basis. Let me know if there is any other medical question that you want to learn. 一路有你，健康没问题。See you in the next episode.